Hi, I wanted to do a quick video because a student asked me to demonstrate how to calculate the confidence interval using the calculator and not using StatCrunch. And I realized I never did get this answered in our session, so I wanted to hit upon it now. Um, it is really important that you understand how to use the parentheses on this one because when you're trying to calculate the error, I'm going to do both of these examples, just calculating the error with the calculator. Um, I wanted to show you that once you plug in your critical value that you can get from the t-table or using StatCrunch, and then take the standard deviation of our sample, divide by the square root of 40, it's really important that you do all this order of operation correctly. So I'm going to turn on my calculator. I need to put in my t-critical value, which is 2.023 in this case. And I'm going to click multiply, but now I need to put all of this in parentheses. So I need to hit parentheses and then 3.6 divide by, and I want to do second square root of 40. So I'm going to hit the second square root of 40. And I said second earlier just to identify that it was a second function on our menu. But what's really important here is I need to get out of, before I put my parenthesis on here, I need to get out from underneath the square root sign. So I need to hit this little arrow to get out of that and to put my parenthesis on. So the calculator now knows that it's got to do what's inside that parenthesis first thing. Inside that parenthesis is the square root. So it's going to do that next. And then it's going to take it into 3.6 before it multiplies by the 2.023. So I hit enter to get my error of plus or minus 1.15, rounded to two place values. So I'm going to do that again on this lower problem down here where I am calculating this this error. So I'm going to hit clear. But again, I need to start with putting in my critical t value, which is going to be 2.131. I'm going to hit multiply, but I have to put in the parentheses. So I'm going to hit parentheses, 10 divide by the square root of 14. I know what the square root of 14 is, or 16, but I'm going to go ahead and hit second function square root, put 16 in as if that wasn't a perfect square. But again, I need to get out of that square root sign. So I need to click out to get that arrow to get out from underneath that, then put in my parenthesis, and then hit enter. Okay, I'm sorry I did not get to that in class, but I wanted to make sure that you had an example of that using your calculator.